Every home has its own rhythm, a unique energy that makes it feel just right. I can't wait to show you what makes this space a perfect heaven. Welcome to Vidya, a modern residence. We are delighted to have you on the tour of a thoughtfully designed home where style and simplicity come together seamlessly. As we move towards the entrance of the home, the first thing that captures attention is the large, narrow staircase leading to the first floor. As we step into the living space, the room immediately feels open and connected to the outdoors. A wide sliding glass door frames the balcony, inviting natural light deep into the interiors. The balcony becomes an extension of the living room, a calm corner to enjoy the morning sun, evening breeze, or simply connect with the nature from within the home. The layout encourages free movement where cooking, dining, and conversations flow effortlessly together. The breakfast counter serves as a casual spot, perfect for quick meals. It also visually connects the kitchen to the dining, maintaining both openness and functionality. At the heart of the home lies the internal staircase, a vertical spine that connects every level with light, movement, and emotion. This constant presence of natural light reduces the need for artificial illumination and enhances the sense of openness within the core of the home. As we move towards first floor, the bedroom opens out to a private balcony, bringing in abundant light and a calm outdoor connection. Together, the balcony and seating window transform the bedroom into more than just a sleeping space. It becomes a blend of openness and intimacy, light and comfort. The bedroom is thoughtfully positioned with a window facing the road, bringing in natural light and a framed view of the outside world. Every element, light, material, and form works together in harmony. The result is a sustainable, soulful home that blends earthy simplicity with modern comfort, a space that truly feels alive. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Vidya's residence. I hope this has inspired you. Stay tuned for more sustainable and innovative designs. Bunny, let's build a home.